Mastering the flavor, the art of tossing in olive oil. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a deliciously interesting phrase that you might come across in cooking shows, recipes, or while dining out. Tossed in olive oil. This phrase is not just about cooking. It's a gateway to exploring vibrant flavors and cultures. So, let's unfold the layers of meaning behind this culinary expression and add a new dimension to your language palette. Tossed in olive oil is a phrase that describes a method of cooking or preparing food. To toss means to mix or stir ingredients lightly by throwing them together in a bowl or a pan, usually with a gentle flipping motion. This is often done to ensure that the ingredients are evenly coated with a dressing or, in this case, olive oil. Olive oil is a healthy, flavorful oil extracted from olives, widely used in Mediterranean cuisine. It's praised not only for its health benefits but also for adding a rich, nuanced flavor to dishes. Olive oil is more than just a cooking ingredient. It's a cultural symbol representing health, longevity, and cuisine across the Mediterranean region. When a recipe mentions that something is tossed in olive oil, it implies a dish that is lightly coated in olive oil either before or after cooking. This technique serves multiple purposes. It can enhance flavor, prevent ingredients from sticking to the pan, and add a moist, tender texture to the food. In practical terms, tossed in olive oil can be applied to a variety of foods, from vegetables to pasta and meat. For instance, before roasting vegetables, you might toss them in olive oil and seasonings to ensure they roast evenly and acquire a delicious, golden crust. Similarly, pasta might be tossed in olive oil after cooking to prevent the noodles from sticking together and to add a subtle richness to the dish. Interestingly, the phrase can also be metaphorical, extending beyond the kitchen into everyday language to describe anything that's been lightly covered or infused with something else. For example, a conversation, tossed in humor, is sprinkled with jokes and laughter, adding a light-hearted tone. And that wraps up our exploration of tossed in olive oil. We hope this video has enriched your understanding of not just a cooking technique, but of a phrase that captures the essence of culinary art and cultural heritage. Remember, language learning is like cooking. It's all about experimenting, tasting, and enjoying the process. Until next time, keep stirring your curiosity and flavoring your conversations with new expressions. Happy learning!